Think breast milk is the only thing shaping your baby's health? Think again. Your skin, your saliva, even the bacteria in your gut. They all play a huge role in your baby's well-being right from birth. Every cuddle, every kiss, every mealtime interaction, you're passing on more than love. You're passing on microbes. And these tiny organisms are helping your baby build immunity, digest food better, and even support brain development. The parental microbiome, basically the ecosystem of bacteria living on and inside you, is one of your baby's earliest teachers. It trains their immune system to recognize threats, reduces the risk of allergies, and helps prevent autoimmune conditions. It even shapes their emotional bonding and mood. Because a healthy gut can influence brain chemistry. This connection goes way beyond breastfeeding. Even the way you prepare food, the environment you raise your baby in, and the microbes they pick up from your body all matter. And here's the twist. Being overly clean can do more harm than good. Constantly sterilizing everything can rob your baby of healthy exposure. A clean but naturally lived in environment helps build a stronger microbiome. So the next time you hold your baby, remember, it's not just love they are getting. It's a whole invisible world that's shaping their future health. Visit theparents.com for more information and subscribe to our channel for more updates.